Lava has launched the Z92 smartphone in India, expanding its budget portfolio. The Lava Z92 comes with a 6.22-inch HD Plus display with a notch, a 13-megapixel rear sensor, and a 3,260 mAh battery. It has been made available in 2 color options, and comes with a smart AI studio mode for seamless game playing. To recall, the Lava Z91 was given a price cut just a month ago, and it now retails at Rs. 7,999. The predecessor was launched in India back in March this year, with key features like a 18:9 display panel, face unlock capabilities, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, and a free one-time screen replacement. Lava Z92 price in India. Availability. Lava Z92 price in India is set at Rs. 9,999, and comes in ocean blue and black gradient color options. It will be available from Tuesday via offline stores. The smartphone comes with a special Jio offer of Rs. 2,200 cashback plus 50 GB data. The telco is offering a cashback of up to Rs. 2,200, which shall be credited in the form of 44 cashback vouchers of Rs. 50 each in the MyJio app for buyers of the Rs. 198 and Rs. 299 recharges. It is also offering up to 50 GB of additional 4G data in the form of one additional data voucher of 5 GB per recharge for a maximum of 10 recharges. Lava Z92 specifications. The Lava Z92 runs Android 8.1 Oreo, and sports a 6.22-inch HD Plus display with notch as well as Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It is powered by the 2.0 GHz MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor paired with 3 GB RAM. Inbuilt storage is offered at 32 GB with the option to expand further using a microSD card slot, up to 256 GB. As for optics, the Lava Z92 sports a 13-megapixel rear sensor with dual LED flash support and an 8-megapixel front sensor with bokeh feature support. The camera app contains an AI studio mode allowing users to take pictures using 6 different camera modes. It packs a 3,260 mAh battery that claims to offer battery backup that can last up to 1.5 days on a single charge. Jasneet Singh, head product, smartphones, Lava International said, "We are excited to announce the launch of Lava Z92 under the Z series. Keeping in mind the demand of consumers who look for higher performance, durability and a bigger screen along with great looks, we are excited to present our first offering of 2019, the Lava Z92. This smartphone is equipped with Helio P22 octa-core processor for unrestricted multitasking.